Hello, my people. Una good evening, good afternoon, good morning for wherever una day. So na me, una person, the Crown YouTube, come bring una this news and many other things where it dey happen for the state and for that country, for our country, for we country, Nigeria. So wetin I come bring come now na about Obaseki, governor of Edo State, Godwin Enoregase Obaseki. So the thing when it don dey happen and wetin come happen finally when he come win this election again, 4+4, Togba and Ogbane. The meaning of 4+4, the meaning of 4+4, Togba and Ogbane for Benin language, and the translator now to English na Togba na e go complete and Ogbane na e don complete. So normally person when e dey do well, rule well, people dey see and they not blind, and e deserve another 4 years to complete the 8 years tenure, so that make it fulfill every project wey im don leave behind. Because now waiting first they make this country they move forward. Because when one governor don rule 4 years, they come out, another one enter. So the thing we not put for ground, it does spoil be that. And black man, they not go want follow that same procedure to complete what that one don't first do, so that make it be say they don't complete that project, they want start another one again. So they go take the embezzle money. So this Obaseki come be say the whole thing not come be like that. It can't become the way we be say it will take favor the masses. And Obaseki for the now a week now, 1 week ago now, 9 days now since when he start the second tenure. So shame don't catch all the people will be say they will feel ringan and carry the governorship to another site will be say with the Edo State citizens no support. So now because of this godfatherism matter, now it make we be say they can't be the try one carry and go another place. So we Edo State people, we don't wise, we don't know what we want, we don't know where we supposed dey. No be say na joke, or maybe say na say we don't know wetin we supposed be. So we now don't serious, we don't know who we want and where we supposed dey and where the state supposed move to. So to the benefit of every citizens of Edo State, we be say Obaseki constantly brings many projects come out. We be say he make us to take see some of the light we be say Edo State supposed to have done, and we be say he's supposed to, if he work, Edo State will be the best state, and which they don't be the best state so far, so good. So because Edo State is the cradle of civilization, so civilization started from there, and also it's also the heartbeat of the nation. So if we say maybe look at from that angle, so I see no reason why we say it could take the backward. So this our wake and see governor, he can bring and take him to the next level. We be say we don't see the light. Number one, he construct road. Number two, the things when indoor they do, we be say we take see and say it's moving into the next level. Now one list, so now the list they come out. So number two, it can bring Alagodao summit. Alagodao, the meaning of Alagodao, na way forward. The way forward now be Alagodao, way forward. Now it mean for, if you say me translate them from Benin to English language. So that was 2017. Now in bring am. So what will be the reason of this Alagodao summit when you bring so? Now because of say make the state make the fulfill so showcase everything natural resources where they get to take attract foreign investors to come invest for the state. And if they work out, they invest, they go fit employ workers, the indigenous go fit see where they work, and also the office generate money through tax, and also to do other things we BC will see benefit Edo State continuously. So Now it be the reason why they can't bring all those things come. We be say one of the natural resources na limestone. We be say they can't find out say Edo State is one of these a state we be say he have the best limestone in the world. So this limestone na to produce cement for buildings. So cement factories no need any limestone for any place outside that country or outside the state. They go only come there, come invest on the limestone, manufacture, produce everything there, use workers there. Then they after refine everything, they can bring it, sell it out. So now so it be. So they don't need too much stress again. Now just to come invest and start it there. So everything where they need is there inside there. So also palm oil. Then one of the state we be say you see the supply palm oil. Palm oil na see one of the natural resources where the state still get, and many more. And also this Godwin Obaseki, this governor, he does still renovate. He can still renovate specialist hospital for Edo State. He renovate them. He can become standard now as we dey talk. So also he can still make teachers become digital teachers all over in that country Nigeria. The place where the first state we don't do that in na be Edo State. The first digital state na be that state wey be say teachers for school you fit to use iPad, you fit use pad for teaching. So e can still make those teachers can still develop skills, can still become digital among the digital society, can still they are aware of how to use computer and all those digital stuff. So then they don't see hard to more intelligent to the former way they first say as analog. So now it's known as the digital teachers. So which these teachers they are very happy for that. So which is this under this regime of Obaseki, now all those things they happen. So even the student go see they are aware of how to use digital. So it not go be new thing to them as it be those days. We be say if you don't grow finish, you don't finish university before you can go they learn computer separately again. So it not be like that again. Now as they grow, they go secondary school, even primary school. Now all those things you go they see all those things. So not only that one in do, he can still improve agriculture to become commercial farming. Commercial farming na farming will be say it go fit produce food for the nation and even more if we have the tractors and all every machine that are required. So which this Governor Obaseki can bring tractors where you go fit help them for the acres of land where be say the one farm, and also to harvester we go fit harvest them. Machine dey wey they call harvester, we go fit harvest rice. Also they don't even dey harvest rice with harvester. Imagine the kind number of rice wey harvester will harvest. You can see say if you do under 1 year, the state hunger no go dey again. So now it be the project when is put for ground, when you need to finish, we make everybody vote for our people. We see the benefit of all those things. Vote for and make it for continuing, so that every common man go feel they afford a living, a daily living. So also improve not only that, you see rebuild Ogbe Stadium, which is a Samuel Bermuda Stadium. So he rebuild them again to become standard, to become international standard. We be say any sport you talk of, you fit do any sport there. We be say come bring a national festival, come a national sport festival, come there, which we supposed to kick off March 2020. Based on the pandemic reasons, now making not kick off this year. So if not, all those things will not become thing of the past. So also, and maybe they would still do it more than they would have done it more than that. Maybe they for doing more than that. Maybe because of the pandemic, they decided to do some of it or to let it to some other time. So also, not only that one, they constantly train the Edo indigenes for job opportunities. So every Edo indigene now get handwork. We be say some of them not get handwork before. Some of them they want learn work, but they not get money to register. So any work where they feel say they want learn, they go there, go register free of charge. They will learn, get certificate put. Then they'll go start their own, or they feel use and look for job opportunity whenever it's needed. So that kind one, it already get waiting in learn and waiting in handwork already. When person don't get handwork, the sky is his limit. So it good make sure they get handwork. So, or if you don't get handwork, you learn a trade. If you want to learn business, you define make how you want to improve on that business. It's still there. They'll see help and put that person through on how to go about whatever business he choose to learn. So now I be waiting in do for the citizens too. Also, this Operation Wabaizigan, when he still launched now under a regime too, Operation Wabaizigan, to protect lives and property. So all those ones still there because of say this godfatherism reasons. Now make and we be say these whole things not going to move fast as it's supposed to be, because if godfatherism the fight with the present state governor, so things go they delay, things wey need to be done go they delay. So now where he don't win second tenure, so we go see how he go take work finish am, and we know say we pray to God to give am the strength to take finish am. So all those godfatherism wey be put themselves as godfatherism, number one, Oshomole, wey you think say in and that Oshomole wey they respect. Of course, we were respecting him as Oshomole, but the thing we can't do recently now, he can't make people confuse say Oshomole not supposed to dictate. He not supposed to be a dictator to the present state governor. He's supposed to be an advisor, just as Onyegu is doing. That man, he dey doing own. So we never ever hear that man since. Though now in present all of them they come, they go for the governor seat. So he never ever dictate for any of them, but rather than he give advice for them when it's needed. So you know they force them, they advice into them. He always said this: so if you like, you take; if you like, you leave them. So not be forced. So not be the like the one who Oshomole things say in they do. So he no good. So now way God can't see justify them. Obaseki can't win. So God win. They're supposed to know say that name God win in any battle. However you look at, now God must surely win. So God win. He really become God. Now he really win. So any battle where somebody fight, now God will surely win. So now so the matter be. So now so it be, my people. Now I can see bring comfort una make una see. And also not only that one, this one we consider go on where Tinubu can become one can join Oshomole. Maybe say they do the wuru matter. We be say they do for Lagos, because godfatherism now be the godfather for Lagos. In things say they want to join hand with the Oshomole, make the gather they do them. So Benin people, Edo people, they don't get sense, they don't wise, they know what they want. Of course, that is where civilization even started. So they know what they want. So since they eradicate the godfather from the politics game for Edo. So now Edo people don't see the light. They don't see the benefit of eradicating godfatherism. So they're not going to go back to that godfather system. So where be say Tinubu be one joint Oshomole made they gotta do them. So now make Edo people can't tell them say no can't bring that kind of way you take they do that Lagos one can't be in Edo state, because Edo not be Lagos. We not go take them from Edo state, because that is the reason why Oshomole has been shouting all over the place. We be say now all Edo people can't know say they not go fit continue that kind of way Oshomole they bring. Of course, so Oshomole fight him. Now the first governor we fight at that time, but he's supposed to stay on his lane. He lane they give advice to remember say he fight godfatherism for his turn, and it must continue like that. So any agenda of godfatherism, it will not work. Any governor we see they come, na still the same thing. Even the present state governor Obaseki don't even talk and say, God forbid him say he go become godfather after in regime. So it's not good, and it's not good healthy for a state or any state to survive under godfatherism. So now be waiting Lagos State, the experience there. So now bring that word we be say Edo not be Lagos State. The thing wey they do for a Lagos State, make it do one there. If Edo were to be Lagos State, then would have still drive Tinubu comot for that godfather seat wey him think say e dey. So since Edo not be Lagos, so Edo no go fit go drive in enter house comot for that godfather seat. So unless for their own state, neither for fit do that one, which they did. So they work for them, and they continue their present governor agenda. So you can see that Edo State is moving forward. They are ready to leave the red state behind. You see that the red state now will start to emulate Edo State for that godfatherism issue, because the Edo State seems to be the only state in that country we say they practice godfatherism. They don't need them, and it's not working for that state, and nothing like godfather in that state. So you can see that they are already kicking. They are already making the move to leave the rest state behind. So now so it be. So my people, now waiting I constantly let you know be that say the state where we dey, if person wey dey, if he not value wetin he get, nobody go value am for am. Person wey we say not value in culture, nobody will value am for am. If you don't value the resources wey e dey for your state, nothing say other people for outside go come put value for you. Now only you go fit value am, now only you go fit bring am out to the way be say you go suit others to come know say better thing dey here, wey dey for fit follow you, bring am out the way be say e go sweet everybody. So now im be wetin Obaseki dey do and Shaibu. So my people, now wetin I come for una be that for today. Stay safe and be blessed. Goodbye.